I'm Okaima Mercy Moses, and this is Group 19. We're from the University of Lagos, Faculty of Management Sciences, and Insurance Department to be precise. We're going to speak on our project, which is the web, e-commerce, and m-commerce. And I'm going to be speaking on building a website. A professional website requires skills and careful attention. What makes a website unique and distinct from others is its ability to profile solutions to problems. Now, there are some approaches that should be taken note of or implemented when creating a website, some of which are the website design, architecture, and navigation. Designers should make sure they create an information roadmap which must adopt a hierarchical, multidimensional, and sequential structure so as to enable users find solutions which they seek on the website. Another approach to creating a professional website is the usability and user interface website. Usability refers to how one can make use of a tool or technology to achieve a goal or task. Now, designers should create a room for such in that website. Designers should create a room where users can find solutions to what they need by using such websites. Another approach to this is the easy accessibility of disabled people. Now, a designer should create a website in a way that disabled persons can also access the website and make use of it. And this can be made possible with the use of assistive techniques. Now, assistive techniques are technologies that helps disabled people in accessing a website. And some of these techniques are joysticks, speech-to-text converter, or text-to-speech converters for those that are visually impaired. So some of these techniques have to be put in place so as to help each other in accessing a website. Therefore, a designer should make sure he takes all this into consideration in creating a professional website.
I am Oyekomi Esther, and I'm speaking on developing a web strategy. An effective website requires a clear vision of the site's goals, how to attract audience, how to know what they are supposed to do there, what you want to learn from them, how to effectively improve the site and know them back. The primary web goal of most companies is broadly divided into four. 1. Informing and entertaining the audience by creating content to drive traffic to the site, like video gaming sites and free game sites as well. 2. Selling to the audience. For companies who live and die through e-commerce, selling is the primary goal of opening a website. You can try brand influencing, magazines, and other e-commerce sources. 3rd one, facilitating offline relationships. For schools, colleges, hotels, restaurants, interpersonal relationship, offline relationship is important through engaging in tours for schools and for hotels, discounts, and good customer care services. Also, influencing the audience. Influencing the audience through magazines, through content, engaging content, so as to lure them back into the site. Other ways of improving sites: 1. Properly naming the websites, using uniform resources location URL, naming the domain properly to avoid disputes or clashing of two companies together. Thank you.
I am Daramola Adedeji, and I'm here to talk on web development strategies for the web. Now, after creating a website, the place where you can check your website or where people, the public, can see your website is a web browser. Now, there are different kinds of web browsers, but according to Google, or like the rating, the most important ones that we have are Microsoft Internet Explorer, we have Google, we have Chrome, we have Google Chrome, and we have Apple Safari. Now, looking at it, after creating your website, how to boost your website to make it more enticing to the public. For example, making content and videos, making short videos, images that would like make lasting memories in the mind of your markets that you're looking for. Now, One thing you have to do for your website is to create an interactive section for the organizers of the website and the public that is that is watching or viewing the website. Now, for example, now you can make a question and answer session at the bottom right or bottom left of your website in order for your customers to have questions to ask. If they have any problem going through your website, you can easily go live to the question and answer section and get answers to problems they might find or fix. Back on it, we have to understand that we are not just making a website for those that just like that can see normally and all, because you have to cater for those that are visually impaired, those that have disabilities and have little problem checking your website. There have to be space for people like that to check your website and see how it can still be useful to them. Now, what I mean is explaining to them, it has to be easy. That's for like the interpreter that is going to give it to them. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is languages you can use to build your website. Now, we have different languages you can use, but the one that is very popular is the HTML. Now, for the HTML, it is a markup language that helps in building a website. It is where you put down certain codes that can be used to create a website. Now you can add files into it and make your design more beautiful and all. Now another one you can use again is JavaScript. We have CSS and we have many others, but for that, those are the major ones you can use.